Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Always use the best and the freshest ingredients. Today I'm going to make a treasure sweet rice. Greens, good luck. This recipe is original from Taiwan. In this recipe, we always use homemade sausage and the shiitake mushroom need to soak overnight until totally soft. Strain and save the shiitake mushroom water and use dry shrimp because the dry shrimp gave a very intense flavor to the shrimp, not like a regular shrimp. The dry shrimp needs to soak in the warm water 4 to 6 hours until totally soft. Sweet rice, or you call sticky rice. First, you have to soak the sweet rice overnight so they will be soft. This recipe is almost like Italian make risotto. The only difference is we use sweet rice and the Italian use broiled rice. But the cooking method is the same, and you slowly add all the flavor and you slowly add the stock or water to the rice until the rice is cooked and all the flavor goes with the rice is in there. First, you heat up the large non-stick pot and cover in the medium heat and add the shallots and bacon. Add the dry shrimp. Then add the shiitake. The reason I like to use the dry shiitake is it gives much intensive flavors than the fresh shiitake mushroom. Add the sausage and stir fry until the sausage is cooked and shiitake gets all the flavor. And you add the rice and you start folding until rice is totally coated with all the ingredients and the flavor in the rice. And maybe about 2-3 minutes. Then you add the half cup. So it's just like Italian who make this risotto. You just slowly add in the soaked shiitake mushroom water until the rice is completely cooked. You can also do this rice by using a steamer. Dish out the egg treasure rice. And I like to put the honey pine nuts on top of it and make it a treasure, 8 ingredients for this wonderful rice recipe.